Hi, welcome to the channel. This channel is all about femininity, softness, natural beauty from a woman of God. This channel also talks about different DIYs, fashion hauls, modesty dressing, as well as leveling up as a woman of God. So if you're interested in a channel that is all about the natural beauty, natural hair care, and a woman who embraces traditional values and wants to really do not adhere to society's rules of wanting to apply makeup, jewelry, and anything that distracts from her natural beauty. So if you're interested in a channel like this, then please subscribe, where you will get weekly, every twice a week videos into the topics that we will be talking about. And today's topic, ladies, is all about church hurt. And what is it like to experience that, and why? Why are we experiencing that? Especially from the point of view of we are coming into an organization that we are getting truth, we are getting taught how to be, how God is, but yet many are struggling with pain and hurt because there's a lot of people that come in with different hats, all walks of life, and they really don't have what it takes to love another person and to truly not be respective persons. So we're going to talk about today, why is it such a struggle to forgive, and why are we experiencing church hurt? We've come into the church thinking that, I'm going to finally get away from all of the drama and the confusion and the love and loveless situations and my past. And you believe that in your mind, you believe I'm going to come to a place where everybody is lovable. And because I'm hearing truth is being taught about God, truth is being taught about us as human beings, and you just have in your mind that finally I found the place that I can go to. And then you get there and someone literally destroys you, or they destroy the image that you have of what a holy woman or male is supposed to be. So we're going to talk about it because I think it's such a situation that a lot of times it can literally push people right out of the church. And some have left because of being hurt. And it's unfortunate and it's very sad because people form these ridiculous cliques and exclusion and respective persons where you're not included. You're made to feel like an outsider, like you don't belong, you don't fit in, and there's no one that is really showing you kindness and softness and being gentle, and it's very unfortunate. So it is definitely something that you're going to have to pray about, because it is a struggle, and it can be a struggle because we deal with people every day. But it's so horrible that if I can go on my natural job and my center coworkers can say good morning or hi or how are you? How was your weekend? How was your day? You look lovely today. Then why is my sisters and brothers that should love me can't even do that? And will walk right past you and not speak. Will speak to maybe someone that they're close to, but then don't speak to you, which could be standing literally right there. It's the unfortunate thing about it is a lot of people are carrying their own baggage, baggage of being hurt or not have any friends, or maybe their own parents treated them cruel, because even today there's still colorism. You've heard family members sometimes say, oh, this is my favorite child, this is my favorite son, this is my favorite daughter. They can have a family of 5, a family of 10, and yet they will deem one kid or 2 kids as the better children, and the other ones they either neglect or ignore or basically mistreat. So these behaviors that people basically get when they're kids or inherited or a spirit or whatever the case is, they bring this into adulthood, and instead of applying the word and the messages to their lives, they basically ignore it, or they basically want to carry this mean girl or mean boy or whatever spirit inside of them, where they're just treating everybody cruel. So it is definitely something that will come up. So I'm not going to lie and sit here and say that everyone in church is going to be lovable and giving and kind. That's where you have to step in as wanting to level up, ladies, as a woman of God, because kindness has to be within your makeup. Softness has to be within your makeup. You must ask the Lord to help you to elevate into this kind-hearted, loving, giving woman that you can embrace everyone and you're not excluding anyone or making them feel left out. It is a horrible feeling to feel that I'm not being loved or cared for in that manner when I am a giving person. I will give, I am definitely trying my best to not mistreat anyone intentionally, because I know what it's like to be mistreated. I know what it's like to see abuse in a household, or from whether it's my friends or whether it's people I know or people I grew up with. I saw it with my own eyes of people raising their kids with favoritism. So that favoritism mentality winds up developing in adulthood, where they feel like they were always the one that got everything. And like I was stating earlier, they might have been a parent did this to them, their own siblings, sometimes even being treated poorly because of colorism. There's a lot of unfortunate colorism right amongst the people of God, where if you're dark skinned, you're light skinned, you're not dark enough. Like if you're mixed and you're not dark enough, you could be mistreated. If you're light enough, you too light, you could be mistreated. It's a horrible cycle that people cannot seem to get rid of. So it is something that you must, as a woman of God, ask the Lord to remove these people out of your life. Meaning, like, not necessarily remove them, but remove that character that is in them that is causing you so much pain, because it is distracting. You won't be able to really form that relationship with God with every time you see this person. They're causing you pain, they're causing you suffering, they're causing you something that is wrong. And coming to church can be like, I don't even want to come anymore. So we, as people that want to level up, have to be always the bigger person. We want to be the person that, one, God can depend on us, for us to be the one that is loving and generous and soft and feminine and embracing, because that is the nurturing soul that he put in women. Literally, whatever was taken out of Adam was the woman. And he gave us that nurturing side. So you must develop that. If it was beaten out of you, whether it's through abuse or bullying behavior from your siblings or kids or your loved ones, your spouses, friends, people that you've known, it must come back. So, and it is a struggle. This is why, like, there is books that I do read that actually help me. In fact, there's a book that I wanted to talk to you guys about, because it is a really good book, and I was going to give it away to some of my sisters. So definitely, if you put a comment in the chat, ladies, about how this has helped you, you will get a chance to get the book. It's a journal that helps you with being able to overcome, and it will be free. I'm gonna just mail it to you, because I want you guys to really start to, what has helped me in a lot of ways, and I'm sure maybe even help others, is calling out the person that has caused you pain, whether it's someone now that is causing you pain, or someone currently, or someone even in your past. So if these individuals have caused you pain, ladies, then definitely write their names down and what about them that's causing you pain, so that you can deal with it. Because it is something that you must deal with, because it can create an ought. You can start to, start to feel a certain way towards them, and you just won't have a pleasant experience walking with God. So, ladies, my advice definitely is to call their name out and call them before the Lord. Bring them in front of the Lord. This person is causing you pain, or this person from your past had caused you pain. So therefore, you can start the healing process and being able to forgive. The bottom line is we must all forgive in order to make it to the kingdom. So, ladies, I hope this video helped you, because it is a struggle, and I'm not going to say it's not, but it is vital to forgive others so that you can develop into the most strongest, beautiful, natural woman that you can possibly be. So stay tuned for the next video, ladies. I'm glad you were able to be with me today, and Again, thank you for all my new subscribers. I love you all, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.